Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for the RRB NTPC exam. History is a crucial section, often carrying a significant weightage of around 10 to 15 questions in the general awareness section. A structured approach is key to mastering this vast subject. We will cover essential strategies to help you prepare effectively, ensuring you grasp all important topics and perform well on your examination. Let's dive into the details. For ancient and medieval Indian history, begin with foundational topics like the Indus Valley Civilization and the Vedic period. Progress to major empires such as the Mauryan and Gupta periods, understanding their administration and cultural contributions. In medieval times, concentrate on the Delhi Sultanate and the vast Mughal Empire, making concise notes on rulers, their policies, and significant events will greatly aid your memory and quick revision. Modern Indian history holds substantial importance, especially the Indian freedom struggle. Dedicate ample time to understanding the British expansion, key revolts like the 1857 uprising, and the various phases of the independence movement. Familiarize yourself with prominent leaders, their roles, and the significant acts and reforms. Also, cover the integration of princely states and other post-independence developments to complete your preparation for this section. Consistent practice and revision are paramount for success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to identify recurring themes and question types. Take mock tests to simulate exam conditions, which helps in managing time and improving accuracy. Review your self-made short notes frequently to reinforce your learning. This systematic approach, combining study with practice, will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence for the history section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.